What's up, my fellow yarn bombers? It is I, the Crafty Crocheter, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you for coming. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. So in today's video, I thought I would do like a review for the new issue of Crochet World. And I got this the other day, and I did showcase this in one of my recent shorts, but I thought I would go through this magazine and do like a little review, like a flip through. So I hope y'all will enjoy that as much as I will. And I may take some inspiration from this magazine and get a couple ideas for some new projects later on in the year or in 2026. So without further ado, here we go. All right, so here's the new issue of Crochet World. It is the Winter 2025 issue, and as for the price point, it is $9.99 in the US and $12.99 in Canada. And so according to the cover, for the holiday season. There's 29 new patterns, and then also about getting to the holiday spirit with some 13 designs for the home. But I'm not going to go through all of this because that would be a long video. So I'm just going to go through, do a flip through. So join me, won't you? Here we go. All right, so I'm going to flip through. Then you'll see, first off, you'll see like the letter from the editor. And then the table of contents. And you'll see like all the different patterns that are within this magazine, this issue. And this is a cute, and I looked through this previously, and this is a cute corner-to-corner blanket for the holidays. I thought it was really cute. I may tackle that, but I may not. And then the first project they illustrate is the shepherd's knit cap. Although it's a crochet magazine, so it's a crocheted projects, but it's supposed to mimic the appearance and the feel of a crocheted hat. I mean, a knitted hat, excuse me. Then I'm just going to go through some of this. And then there's a amigurumi, like a little reindeer, and basically you make a vest and a scarf that comes off. So basically, here's the picture of what it looks like without the vest and the scarf on. And then you got some for blocks. You got the hump block, the reverse block, and underneath block. And then pictured right here is it's just the block, I believe, the hump block. Because the other two is like, so I'm just perusing through this. And then you got some little Christmas tree projects in here. And this one looks like they're just granny squares that are curled around on themselves. And then talking about bringing lace back. Because they got a picture of this like butterfly doily that you can do. And then a cow right there. Again, I'm not going to go through all of this because I'm just perusing through this magazine real quick. So. And then this looks cute. This is a nice little table mat. It has snowflakes, a snowflake motif on there. And then there's a Christmas doily right there. Another one for that. Then there's like a lace doily. Then ornaments, snowflake ornaments. And then a Christmas tree stocking, which is really cute. It's got a little pocket right there. Instead of hanging the traditional stocking, then you get a little Christmas tree that has a little pocket for little stuffing stockers like candy canes and little presents. And then they got a Tunisian project too for pot holders, so this may be a fun project that I may try out. And then there's the Christmas Afghan. That looks real cute, real pretty too, with the snowflake motif on there. And then there's the great big corner-to-corner Christmas blanket that was in the table of contents. And then there's a pillow. Okay, I'm not going to go into this anymore because, again, once you grab yourself a copy, then you'll see all the projects up and close. So I don't want to give too much away. So overall, I'm going to try some of these projects and see how they turn out. So I may do that as a reveal video. So stay tuned for that. All right, hope everyone enjoyed today's video as much fun as I had creating it. So again, don't forget to grab yourself a copy of Crochet World, the Winter 2025 edition. And you can subscribe. You can go to crochetworld.com and subscribe that way. So you get, I think it's like 4 magazines a year because they come out quarterly. I think the price is $35. So anyway, hope everyone stays going well today. Don't forget to grab your crochet hooks, grab some yarn, and create something beautiful today. Gotta love each other, help each other out, be there for one another, love yourself, be true to yourself, spread love and not hate, and spread beauty throughout the universe. And so On that note, take care of yourselves and each other.